Hi guys, welcome back to the LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss gold and silver based on the weekly and daily chart. So we are going to try to check what might happen from the bulls and bears perspective medium term. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Let's start with the gold weekly chart, and what we have here is a possible triple top, which might be a little bit scary when it comes to the buyers. We've seen currently within the last few weeks deeper pullback, okay, and we are currently trading below 2000, but I think the most important level when it comes to the buyers, that's gonna be level when it comes to the bottom breakout candle, right? So we are talking here around 1870. So that's the crucial level here, and taking into the consideration the pullback, we might see 1, 2, 3, and that's gonna be the key. If we are going to move lower, then we have a liquidity around 1815, and in that case I wouldn't be surprised to see the levels lower down towards 1750. Okay, so that's how I see the things to the downside when it comes to the weekly chart on the gold. One more time, 1870, 1815 and 1750 to the downside in case of the stronger dollar. To the upside, on the other hand, I think that we have to make the things quiet quickly when it comes to the buyers, right? Because look, when we hit first high, the rejection was strong. Second time, it was even stronger, right? So now, the longer we are staying below, the bigger chances that we are going to see lower levels. So in my opinion, if the bulls are gonna be able to show the strength, so after the retest of this zone 1870, 1815, okay, 1815, we might see another attempt to go higher. But from the weekly chart perspective, we have to get the close above this triple top to continue the higher levels. That's gonna be very interesting. Let's switch to the daily chart here, and we are trying, as of now, we are trying to hold this latest weakness zone over here within the 50% of the time and the 50% of the zone. All right, so that's the key here on the daily chart. And if we are going to hold the level, the first resistance been tested already quite a few times around 1985. All right, so we are trying to, from the bulls perspective, trying to hold even 1930 for now, but we have to take out, I would say, 2000, the psychological level, to try to push prices higher. So as of now, we are trading within the very narrow range. Let me show you the range again. In between 1985, 1990, 2000, and to the downside, we are trading within this zone, even down towards 1905, so round number 1900. So it's a like 100 zone. You may expect, in case of the upside break, $100 to the upside as a minimum target, or in case of the breakdown, $100 as a minimum target. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the silver. That's the weekly chart. The bulls got their problems. We were not able to hold above 25. The market got back below. Now we are facing the retest, some kind of the bear flag. So as long as below 25, we might see lower levels. How low can we go? Well, let's have a look what we've seen in the past. Okay, and we already know the zone in between 21.20 and 20 from the weekly chart perspective is the psychological and crucial level here from the bulls perspective. When it comes to the sellers, they might even try to target levels below 18 down towards 1750. Only weekly close above 25 will reopen 2650, and then we might see 2880, 29 as a next possible target based on the weekly chart. Let's switch lower. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the daily. Okay, there you go. Well, this move to the downside, right? That was in short term crucial development in my opinion, because we got back below this breakout candle, right? And we are not able to hold above. We are fighting around this level, but we have the whole zone, right? So let me draw the zone for you. So we are taking into the consideration this breakout candle low and the previous high over here. So that's our zone, and well, that's why I'm saying as of now we are drawing the bear flag. The only positive here is this lower shadow and move back into the rising channel, but overall, as you can see, we are within the bear flag. So if that's the case, and we are going to make at least the same move to the downside, so that's the target we were discussing based on the weekly around 2150, 21. On the other hand, if you are a buyer, so either you are waiting for the level discussed a second ago, or you are waiting for a move back above 25, and then the market may want to look for stop count above the most recent high 26.20, and the liquidity is over here. So as usual, please like, subscribe if you haven't already, leave the comments below, do your own research, do hundreds of examples before risking real money. It was my pleasure to be with you. Wish you great next trading session. See you around, take care and goodbye.